Ay, so Sapitan is back. I'm here also in the Gupitan Integrated School because I show you what is the beautiful of the Gupitan, and I show you again because tomorrow ay basta English sa kapon. Oh, yesterday is I show you what is the beautiful of the playground of the Gupitan Integrated School. So here is I will show you what is the beautiful of the garden. So the eggplant here is many. Small, and the flowers is very many have. And I saw here the hair plants is have a big. It's have a big egg. Big egg. Did you know what is that plant is called eggplant? Because the eggplant is have egg. It's a very katul. It's very shiny. It's very shiny, and here is the palaya. He is have a garden here, and I will show you what is the beautiful of this of your eyes of yours. This is have a oh, this is have a hole. Bangag. So I'm here in the what is this? This is umbrella, big umbrella, and I sitting here. I sitting here because I discussing of you what is the discussing of you what is the beautiful of her, what is discussing of your why Gupitan, why I discussing for you why is the Gupitan is very beautiful. So the first, why the Gupitan school is very beautiful because it have many people. It have many people very handsome like me. I'm so very handsome. So the people here is have a nuclear bomb and ingredients. It has ingredients because the gravity of the Gupitan, the gravity of the Gupitan Integrated School is have it's have a molecules gravity. It have a gravity is have 35-degree temperature. 35-degree of temperature. Yes. I trust me. I don't lie for you. I don't show. Sige, I will show you what is the gravity of here. See what? This is very beautiful here. The playground is very handsome, and the handsome of Gupitan is the very handsome is like me, like Sapitan and Julian Basot. The old people here is the old people. Oh, my other classmate is not going on the garden. Well, I can go here. I can go here because anything of my classmate is not going up the garden. I will show you what is the beautiful up here. So go away. If you want to go in the Gupitan Integrated School, just call me and interview me. What is the beautiful of the year? Yes. Hey, why you are not going in the garden? Ha? Hoy, batay mo patong ba yung mom? So I'm here in I show you tomorrow yesterday the beautiful playground of the Gupitan Integrated School. So I will go in the inside of the classroom. Isa na. Mga kami sira yung wak. I'm here in the front of the classroom. So the people here is very recognized. I will turning around. So I'm going in my classmate because he called me. Bye. Anda na. Ilang sa. So he is he is asking of me. He is asking of me because if I want to say English answer. I want to play the gravity. I'm here in the
So guys, maglalaro kami ng Saydama. Ito nga pala ang pambato ng Saydama Kiskway. Love ko guys, he's so very handsome and follow his
yeah.
page.
You want to earn money pilagi sa paglolo lang tuplok ang lingsang bayo. So Archie Piao is going here. He is buang. Okay.
Diba kita sir?
This is sir is very handsome sir. Shout out for you. So guys, goodbye. That is all for today. I love you. Best and love.